Yes, hello folks, let's come to the miscellaneous exercise, and this is our part 1 video. This, of course, because it's a miscellaneous, we will be having an overview of the entire chapter. Here they ask us to find the dy by dx, and probably the derivatives would be by different types, so we'll be doing that. The very first problem says that you have 3x squared minus 9x plus 5 whole raised to 9, and we have to find the derivative. So to start with, for our convenience, let's call this as y. And we find that it is quite complicated, so therefore we will take another function u and call it as 3x squared minus 9x plus 5, and that way y becomes u raised to 9. We are ready for derivatives. Let's find derivative of u with respect to x. So it is derivative of 3 into derivative of x squared is 2x, 9 into derivative of x is 1, 5 has got no derivative. And along with that, you can also find the derivative of y with respect to u. So y with respect to u is 9 u raised to 8, nx raised to n minus 1. So what happens? You are having dy by dx, which you have to find, is dy by du into du by dx. And dy by du is 9 u raised to 8. Du by dx is 6x minus 9. Now we have to revert back, that's all. And this is the answer, but you have to revert back from u. U for us is 9 3x squared minus 9x plus 5 whole raised to 8 times 6x minus 9. That's the answer, right? That's about it. Then we go to the next question where we have sine cube x plus cos raised to 6x. You have to find the derivative. So right away, to start with, let's call y as this. These both are complicated, so let's have them like substituted. U as sine cube x and v as cos raised to 6x. Also, we'll make a further substitution. Let w be sine x, then u will become w cube. Let's get the derivative right away. W with respect to x is going to be cos x, and u with respect to w is going to be 3w squared, nx raised to n minus 1. We know it. So we are able to get the du by dx. That is going to be du by dw into dw by dx. So du by 3w squared and cos x. W squared for us is sine squared x. So sine squared x into cos x. That's what you have got it as, du by dx. Now, if v is cos raised to 6x, let z be, say, cos x, then v will be z raised to 6. So you have dz by dx. Cos x, that's minus sin x, and dv by dz is 6z raised to 5. We try to get dv by dx. It is dv by dz into dz by dx. That is 6z raised to 5 into minus sin x. How will that come? Let's check. Dv by dx. Therefore, dv by dx is minus 6. Z for us is cos x. Cos 5 raised to 5x into sin x. Right. Therefore, y, which is u plus v, can give you dy by dx as du by dx plus dv by dx. Du by dx is 3 sine squared cos x, and this is minus 6 cos raised to 5x sin x. You can have 3 sin x cos x out. So what remains here? 1 sin x. What remains here? 2 and cos raised to 4x. Isn't it? Yes, that's your answer. 3 sin x cos x. Yeah, might as well check. 3 sin x cos x. Yeah, that's how we do it elaborately. Then we have our next question. 5x raised to 3 raised to 3 cos 2x. We have learned function of a function means we are going to take logarithmic derivation. So we are going to take the log on both sides. is log of 5x raised to 3 cos 2x. Exponent comes on the side. 3 cos 2x into log 5x is log y. Now taking the derivatives on both sides, d by dx of log y and d by dx of 3 cos 2x times log 5x. So log y with respect to y is 1 by y. 1 by y, because it is with respect to x, dy by dx also. Now this you can treat it as a product, u into v. So 3 cos 2x with the derivative of log 5x, log 5x as it is, and derivative of 3 cos 2x. This of course you don't have to do anything. 1 by y dy by dx. Here 3 cos 2x. Derivative of log 5x is going to be 1 by 5x and phi in the numerator as a differential coefficient. So here it is going to be, for log you know the derivative is 1 by 5x. But because that phi is accompanying that as a differential coefficient, you have to write here, net effect it will be just 1 by 5. Now if this is not very convincing, then you can take w as 5x and log as u, and once again you can find the derivative and keep. This is how it will come. Then log 5x will be as it is, derivative of 3 cos 2x. 3 will come out. Then cos 2x is minus 2 sin 2x, because 2 will contribute. So what will come here? 1 by y dy by dx is 3 cos 2x by x minus 6 log 5x sin 2x, and dy by dx like that. The y can go there. It is 5x raised to 3 cos 2x times 3 cos 2x by x minus 6 log 5x sin 2x. Sin 2x, because it's not visible, I've just written it down once again. So that's about it, right? And that's our answer. Should I check is what I need to see. Whether I need to check it. Yes, fair enough, right? With more problems, you come in the next video. Thank you.